And I want to know what's something that's working really well in your business right now that other owners can implement that, can help their businesses improve.
Yeah.
This one's you.
Yes, this one's me.
She's got this nailed.
Yeah. So because we just don't own one store that's just a walk-in laundry, we've diversified so much over all these years that it became very clear to me that we needed a website. And not just a website that you build on your own, because there's so many that you can build on your own. I knew we needed a company that knew what they were doing to do it. Uh-huh. And I probably looked for 3 years and I just couldn't find somebody that I thought was a good fit for me, because I was going to be the one working directly with this company. Uh-huh. And we just hit the lottery. It's a company called Creative Marketing Services. They built our website, which is beyond fabulous. They handle all the changes that need to be done to it, especially with this latest version of COVID-19. I just can't tell you the work that they did on it to let everybody know that we were still open. And then they also do all of our marketing, all of our online marketing, Google Analytics, our SEO work, everything having to do with our marketing, from the walk-in traffic to the fluff and fold traffic, to the residential and commercial side of the business. And then we also, from now and then, we have people that want to rent out our laundries for movies, commercials, and things like that. And so the website's beyond beautiful. And then she works with a company called Harmony 3 Productions that does all of our video. And on our website right now, there's a video that I don't even need to tell people what we do. They just go to the website and click the video, and they can see how the residential service works. So that's the key to me. If you own multiple stores and you really want to do something other than just do a walk-in type of business, uh-huh. You need the because people validate you through your website.
Yep.
If your website is wonky and looks like it was built 98 years ago, people will more than likely move on and find something that is very professional looking and run well. And Creative Marketing Services is the real deal. That was the game changer.
Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome.